Greetings family, we are here to update you on the coping. This was suspended some days ago and we are here to complete it. So just want to update you about the finishing of the coping. Can you see? Yeah, this is the exact point we ended when we went on break. So we've come back to complete it nicely. So you can see how nice it's looking. It has put the building in shape. You can see. So anyhow you want your design to be, you can call on me, Abraham via Gigo on YouTube. So anyhow you want your design to be, you can call on me. So you can see the cut and paste has been taken off, and with this we used mortar POP to do it, to form it directly to the wall. So you can see. Going to the other side of the building. So you can see. There is the other part. I think I should go to the backyard. Yeah, so this is the other side of the building. You can see. It's also looking very nice, attractive. You can see. So anyhow you want your design, just feel free, call on me via Gigo Production on YouTube and other social media handles. We are there to deliver anywhere around Ghana. Yeah, welcome. The weather is not all that good, so that is why maybe the video might not be clear, but I hope you see what I've put up. Yeah. Thank you for your massive support. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell if you haven't. So we are the best. Thank you. Greetings family, we are here for plastering work. And you can see the carpenter has set the scaffold for us. So you can see this is an apartment. Yeah, we are here for it. And we've started with the inside plastering already. We've started with the inside. So you can see. Started with the inside work. This side will have the changeover seat, and this toilet and bath, so it's been done rough for the tiles laying. And this is the kitchen. It's also rough because they will be laying tiles. You can see. Yeah, on. Here is a bedroom. This is the sun available. We have everything intact. So as we have everything on site, it makes the working very easy. So you can see we are here. We'll always keep you updated when we are done. So keep waiting. That's it. So you can reach us via Gigo Production on YouTube. This is Abraham for the plastering work, so we'll keep you updated. Thank you. Squad.
Second floor, no, you say you're plastic. Oh. Second floor, you have both steps in it. It's a last floor, no, so on. And no, I plastic, and I come up by thickness in the Fabi. I come up and yeah, boy, address it. If the people can't pour out, then they can't talk to me with the pour that thing or not steps again. So, if you remain, they will live up with that. If you can't pour out, it's a cut first floor. Hey, then fans are down there. For a foundation one, and a top one, and you money in boy. I had the winning in there. It's a quack or cut a hand corner. One side to win up here in born, I see.
Greetings, family. We are here to do pillar designing. We are doing the base of the pillar. So I just want to show you before and after, so you can see how it is before we'll commence work on it. The space there, it needs to be blocked, so I decided to put in block and fill the space with mortar and block. So just wait and see how we go about it. Thank you. We are here. So you can see. We are changing the base. It needs to be square before the design comes. So you can see we have our tape measure working. Then the level is also here doing its own work. So everything, you get everything correctly. So after getting it in square form, then we put in the design. Backload again, it's very neat. You go so near the mapa. Then you want to say shape near back. Come. Then you say, oh, I say, fair. You want to first say, Oh yeah, do construction. Oh yeah, you must say I come up only about now. Well, to be here, you know, crack catch and say, wait, dear, my email, my year, you my family, and to more prefer, Baba, Yama, come on. I love you. Yeah, family, here we are at the end of the day. That's what we came out with. See. We are yet to dress this particular base. The last one, we are yet to dress it. But you can see how neat it is. Everything is intact. So the location is in Kumasi. So anywhere in Ghana, when you call us, we'll come and do yours for you. You can see everything is fresh, design accurate. Good to go.
So that was Abraham for you, displaying his skills. To see more of his work and more designs, if you go to my playlist, it's called the Windows and Door Design. If you want to do design on your windows and your fence wall, Abraham is the guy. He also does plastering, as we've seen with his guys. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Look, do we?